Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. On today's video we are going to be installing this new banner that I just got from my car. Let's get started. So first and foremost, we're going to start off with the box. The box is pretty well built, to be honest. It's really nice. It has really good designs. It closes well. The banner is perfectly inside and intact. The most important thing. So the box, like, I really love boxes, you guys. Like I collect shoes, and boxes are really important to keep the stuff inside. You know, I might keep this box for a very long time. You know, so the fact that it's really well built, really good designs, and it looks pretty cool, it's a plus for me. It just shows me how well the product on the inside is. Yeah, as you can see, little R34 hard tune on top, side, bottom, left and right. So that's pretty dope. So next, what's on the inside is going to be some of the instructions for people that don't know how to install banners. It gives you a quick little rundown on how to do that. You could either do it dry like I did, or you can do it wet like some people do, like if they're wrapping cars. Your choice, it doesn't matter. Same thing at the end. And now moving on to the banner, which is the most important thing of this video. As you can see, it's like a matte black with the big red stripe across it. The Japanese letters just say hard tuned, but in Japanese kanji, I believe. That's why I got it. Pretty cool. So back to my banner. One of the key points for me in this banner was that it's matte black and it has Japanese letters in front of it and a big red stripe. If you know, my car has a red stripe on the side, and I kind of wanted to keep that theme going with the matte black, the red, and the white. So this is perfect for my first banner. Let's see how long it lasts, and then I'll put another banner once this one goes out. And yeah, I like it. A lot of benefits to it. So as for tools, all you're really gonna need is a squeegee, maybe one with a little felt or a little suede, whatever this is, so it doesn't scratch up your banner. A little box cutter, so you can start cutting around it, and then maybe one of these you can really push in there. Boom. Let's get started.
Lord Kevin, baby.
So funny story, guys. I started it by myself, and I realized that if I was gonna do it by myself, it was gonna take me a little bit longer than I first thought. So I called my dad to help me out. And it was funny because it normally doesn't take this long, but like I kind of have OCD when it comes to stuff like this, and I just wanted to make sure that it's perfectly aligned and everything's nice and perfect, because if I know it's not perfect, I know it's gonna bug me every time I see it. So we ended up switching sides because I kept telling him, no, go lower, go up, go down, you know, pull to your side, let me pull to my side. You know, it was so funny. And you can see in the time lapse, like, it was literally sunny when we started. It was like in the afternoon, and it ended up being like nighttime. I was like, really? And then I couldn't see, and I was like, bruh. And then my dad kept telling me that it's good, and I'm like, no, it's not. Pull it more to my side. It was so funny. And it was pretty fun too. And this is the last of it. I think we finally got it down. But yeah, that was pretty fun. The best part is always removing the wraps. You know, get that shit out of here. So one thing that I forgot to do is cut out a hole for one of the sensors that's up there. So I get this message every time I start driving the car. If you think that's gonna bother you, make sure you cut out the hole so you don't get this. But you could just press the middle button and then it goes away. So yeah, I'll put that sticker there. Look nice. So this is what the banner looks like from inside the car. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever had a banner. So I don't know how far down I'm supposed to come, but like this. So this how I'm driving. You see how it just like kind of slopes all the way down, but it comes up here and then it kind of goes down. So that's something you need to be aware of when you're installing a banner. Like I don't really care. I can kind of like go down a little bit. You can see up, but if I'm just like driving regularly like this, yeah, you just see it go down. So when I'm like at a stoplight or whatever, you can see like I need to kind of go like this to see. But that's pretty weird because I was gonna show you guys a little. Let me turn off the car. Shut up. Yo, what? So if you guys remember how my banner first looked like, it was like the red stripe was like really like up to here. Like it was really long. But as I was putting it on, I noticed that like the windshield curves a lot. Like you can see it. See how it like curves? Like all the way over there. And banners are supposed to be straight. So my original banner lined up from like here, like all the way over the like to like here. But when I would put it down, it would leave this area exposed. Like it would be like straight to here, and then it will leave this like not covered with the banner. So then I had to put it up, but then as I did that, I had to cut some of my letters off. You see? But at the end, it still looks fine. Like it's just some Japanese letters. Like they still look like it's supposed to be like that. So I'm happy with it.